Hello friends, today we are going to see chapter 11, that is creating and using tables in database. So let us start. So we will start with MS Access, in which we are going to work. We are going to create the table. So let us see what is Microsoft Access. तो हम लोग पहले start करेंगे Microsoft Access. Now what is Microsoft Access? So let us see that what is it. इसमें आपको यहाँ क्या देखने को मिलता है कि इट इज अ पॉपुलर पावरफुल रिलेशनल डेटाबेस आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू एट द फर्स्ट ओनली. मैंने आपको पहले ही समझा दिया है कि रिलेशनल मीन्स व्हेन यू आर रिलेटिंग द टेबल वन और मोर टेबल्स, आप दोनों को रिलेट करते हो या उससे ज्यादा टेबल्स को रिलेट करते हो, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिलेशनल डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. Next is it is an integral part of Microsoft Office suite. तो वो ऑफिस का एक पार्ट है. सो यू कैन यू हैव टू नॉट टू बाय फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. आई थिंक सो मेनी ऑफ द पीपल आर हैविंग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस और वही पैकेज में वो आ जाता है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस. It has a graphical user interface. Now what is this graphical user interface? सबको पता होगा कि graphical user interface, that is the OS which we are having, and in that graphical, why? Because we have to just click on that buttons and everything is done, the commands are being performed. Okay, and is used to organize. We already know that database is used to organize. It is a collection of data which has been organized. तो आप उसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो, आप उसे चेंजेस कर सकते हो, यू कैन मैनिपुलेट इट एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन स्टोर द लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ डेटा. आप उसमें बहुत सारे डेटा उसमें स्टोर कर सकते हो. नाउ इट ऑर्गेनाइजेस डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल, यानी आपको इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल मिलेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज नोन एज डेटाबेस, बट इन दैट द पार्ट्स, दैट इज द डेटाबेस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. तो उसमें पहले हमें चाहिए टेबल. विदाउट द टेबल इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. ओके, so that is the basic building block of it. And to relate also we needed the common fields. अगर आपको relate करना है then we needed a common field. Now the common features of MS Access are it provides the facility to break large information into small parts. यानी आप बहुत सारी information है उसको part में divide कर सकते हो, and you can also retrieve the data from there. Reduces the data redundancy and a duplication of data will not be done. बार बार एक ही डेटा रिपीट नहीं होगा because you are having the primary key over there. आपके पास primary key है, so it will not allow you to take the duplication. Okay, and even it maintains the consistency. Data inconsistency नहीं होगी because you can take the example again. I am just repeating. जिसने नहीं देखा है मेरा वीडियो, please see chapter 10. I have shown in that what is data inconsistency. नेक्स्ट, डेटा इनकंसिस्टेंसी यानी आपने एक टेबल में there is a change, right? The address is changed and now you have related that table with another table. तो दोनों में दोनों ही टेबल में एड्रेस सेम होना चाहिए. सो यस, you have to maintain the data consistency. It increases the efficiency speed. आपकी efficiency बढ़ जाती है because you can store it, you can take it, retrieve it the data, you can take the backup, even you can search the information. You are having thousands of people in your institute, आपने उसका पूरा data बना के रखा है, but from that you want to find it of anyone, तो आप वो database में कर सकते हो. You can do it in the Microsoft Access. Okay. It facilitates the sharing of data. आप share कर सकते हो. You can share with many people, but it depends that how many of the people have the right to access. यानी उसमें changes करना वो किसी किसी लोगों में ही है, not everyone, right? Next, there are 4 main database objects. कितने हैं? 4 main database objects. First of all, table, then queries, then form, and afterwards the report. Now let us see. Table यानी, as I have told you, a building block. Why it is a building block? Without that it is not going to, means ये पूरी building बनानी है आपको, तो वो उसके लिए हमें चाहिए table. So we needed at the first the table, in which it is made up of rows and columns. Rows are known as records and columns are known as fields. Okay, and that also structured manner. Structured manner means एक proper way में उसे organize करके. Next is queries. Queries is to ask question. Ask questions in the sense उसमें condition आप देते हो to retrieve the records. Take an example कि मेरे पास पूरे सारे students के data है, पर उसमें से मुझे सिर्फ 10th स्टैंडर्ड चाहिए, देन यस आई कैन रिट्राइव द डेटा बाय गिविंग द क्राइटेरिया, बाय गिविंग द कंडीशन। नेक्स्ट, फॉर्म इज एन अट्रैक्टिव इंटरफेस। क्यों अट्रैक्टिव उसे बोला जाता है? बिकॉज यू मस्ट बी नोइंग एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आप फिल करते हो, राइट, वेबसाइट्स में आप फॉर्म देखते हो, इट इज समवॉट अट्रैक्टिव, मीन्स कलरफुल, ओके, सो दैट सेम थिंग यू कैन हैव इट ओवर हियर, द इंटरफेस इन द फॉर्म, राइट, और वो एक्सेप्ट भी करता है डेटा को, एंड इवन यू कैन डू द चेंजेस, आपको अगर कोई चेंजेस करना है, यस यू कैन डू। While report is to display the selected data in the form of printable format, यानी आपका रिपोर्ट कार्ड भी आप ले लो, राइट, अगर आपका कोई रिपोर्ट कार्ड है, बजट है, राइट, उसको आपको अच्छे वे में सिर्फ दिखाना है, इफ यू वांट टू शो इट, राइट, इन अ प्रिंटेबल फॉर्मेट, देन यस यू कैन गो विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिपोर्ट। टू एनालाइज इट, यानी कितनी बार हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं ना कि हाँ ये मंथ में हमारी इतना इतना सेल्स हुआ, इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ इट इज वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इट दिस मच, सो दिस ऑल इज इन द प्रिंटेबल फॉर्मेट। नाउ हाउ टू स्टार्ट, अब कैसे आप स्टार्ट करोगे? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गो टू द स्टार्ट मेनू, क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट, एंड देन you will see the list of installed apps, जैसे मैं यहाँ आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, I will just click on the start window button पे in the keyboard, and then yes here you can get it access, आपको यहाँ दिख ही रहा होगा, okay, or you can go by searching also, you will search over your access, आप search कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट वे इज दैट यू कैन गो टू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस, यानी आप यहाँ से ही आप उसे सर्च करोगे, right, from here you will find out Microsoft Office, and in that you will go with the option, right, yeah I have it, Microsoft Office 2013, from that I can go, okay, if I have 2019 or 20 तो उसमें भी आपको मिल जाएगा, okay, so this is about it। next now elements of MS Access, elements or you can say component, आप उसे component भी बोल सकते हो। First of all, the backstage view, backstage view, what does it contain? It contains the information, it contains the commands and the entire database। मैं यहाँ आपके लिए open करके दिखा रही हूँ access को, I will just show you over here, right, here you can see this is called the backstage view, इसको हम बोलते हैं backstage view, okay। next after that backstage view के बाद we are having quick access toolbar which is at the top on the title bar, that also I will show you again here। I'll just go with the blank database, click on create, and here you can see the क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, यहाँ आपको क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार मिल जाएगा एट द टॉप नियर द टाइटल बार, ओके। देन वी आर हैविंग द टाइटल बार विच इज एट द टॉप, एवरीवन नो what does it show? It shows the current document, current document means it will be written by default database 1, you can means when you are going for the new file you can save it by another name, okay, and the file extension of it is .accdb, okay, the file extension is .acc and db, please keep it in mind, you have to give the dot before the extension, okay। then the navigation pane shows the list of the objects, database objects, everyone know now the database objects, मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया, database objects are over here, right, so here like table, right, if you have created a query then you can see the query, this is called the navigation pane। after navigation pane we are having the documents tab, this is called the documents tab, if I am creating a new table again you just see over here, so this is called the tab। it is very useful अगर आपको switch करना in between of the two tables, yes you can switch from one table to another, and also if you want to do the changes, yes you can do the changes। next is the ribbon यानी ये जो part आपको दिख रहा है that is called the ribbon, okay। in ribbon you will see the tabs and the groups, यहाँ बहुत सारे groups है according to the tabs, and in that also we are having the commands, different commands are being given over there. After that, how to create a database. I've shown you at the first only file, in that new, and you can go with the blank database also, and you also have the templates. I'm using the net at this time, so yes, I have some of the templates with me, तो वो भी अब मैं ले सकती हूँ. Even offline also we get it some of the templates, तो आप वो templates लेकर भी बना सकते हो if you are not knowing how to create the database table. Okay, so you can get the idea about it, and even you can do the changes. आपको अगर changes भी करने हैं, then you can do the changes. Now I'm going with the blank database. You can give the name over here, like I'm giving the name. Okay, with that, if you want to change the location, तो आप यहाँ से location भी उसकी change कर सकते हो. I will go with the D drive. मैं D drive में उसे store करना चाहती हूँ. Yes, click on OK and click on create. You can see this database is made over here. Now about the different views. There are two views in which we are going to work. This is called the data sheet view. By default ये data sheet view में open होता है. In data sheet view also you can write the data, you can write the records over there, you can write the fields, you can add the fields over there. आप उसके data type भी दे सकते हो. Yes, and the next is design view. Here you will give the name of the table, like I am giving the name of the table students. Okay, and yes, this is called the design view. Design view, in that there are 3 columns over there, और वो दो part में divided होता है, that is field grid view and field properties view. Field grid view and field properties view. तो यहाँ field grid में आपको 3 column दिखेंगे, that is field name, data type and description. In field properties, you can change the properties of that field, means the field, or you can say the attribute of it. Okay, if you want to add it over there, तो आप add भी कर सकते हो. जैसे मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ, I'm just writing roll number. You cannot give the periods means over there, means period means what here के full stop आप नहीं दे सकते हो. Okay, you can take it number for roll number, then name, and then in that the data type. Okay, just I'm showing you how you can add it over there. Okay, so this is the field grid pane and this is called the field properties pane. Now creating table in data sheet view. अब data sheet view में आपको करना है, then yes, you can go back, you can switch. So here there are 2 ways to switch over here, like your view, in that you can go to data sheet view. Okay, or you are having on the status bar. यहाँ status bar में आपको दो view दिखेंगे, design view and data sheet view. So you can toggle in between of that. अगर आपको field add करना है, yes, you can go for it. आप यहाँ short text लेकर, I am just giving your address. That way you can do it. You can go with the more of it if you want it. तो ऐसे देते जाना है. Here you want to give the number, so I will give it number, roll number 1, then name. I have given the name, then the address. Okay. And yes, the place. Okay. So like this you can write it. You can use the tab key to move in between of the data. यहाँ से आपको tab key से आप use कर सकते हो. After that, yes, you can see over there कि यहाँ asterisk जैसा आपको दिख रहा है, right? So what does it show कि हाँ you are entering over there, and afterwards when you are doing any changes, record selector, यानी यहाँ record अभी जिसमें आप work कर रहे हो, and when you are doing editing तो वो pencil की तरह आपको दिखाएगा that you want to do the some sort of changes. Okay. Now about the data types. So let us see now the data types. I'll just show you over here. Now Your data type, first of all, it is short text. So short text, in that it is 255 characters. Okay, it is made up of 255 characters. So let us just go for the presentation, and that we will see over here. Yes. Text, in that it is used to store the text or the combination of text and numbers. Like you can use it alphabets also, numbers also. A B C आपको लिखना है, 1 2 3 लिखना है, दोनों मिलाकर आप लिख सकते हो. So that will be taken as a text, but the limitation is still 255 characters. Characters means letters also, you can say spaces भी count होता है. Numbers, in that you can store integer values as well as the decimal values. Integer or decimal values दोनों ले सकते हो, and you can do the calculation. If you want to do the calculation on the numbers, then you have to go for the number data type, and the storage of it is 16 bytes. Everyone know 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, so 16 means what? You just count it. Next is memo. Memo means it is like a long text. अगर आपके पास new latest version है, in that it will be known as a long text, जिसमें आपकी यानी कैपेसिटी जो लिखने की कैरेक्टर्स है, that is up to 65535. Okay, you can write up to 65535 characters. Now you must be thinking कि why we needed this memo data type. Because when you are writing any description about any person or any product, then you needed more characters. 255 में complete नहीं होता है. So yes, you can go with the memo data type. Next is date and time. If you want to add it the date and time, for example, birth date, then joining date, living date. Okay, so that also you can mention over there, because we are going to work with the data, long datas, and that also records of many institutes. You can take it. Currency, in that everyone know rupees, right? So in rupees, or maybe in currency, dollar, euro, many are there. Currency, you can select it of your own, and in that also the limitation is 15 digit to the left and 4 digit to the right. Please remember, 15 digit to the left, and after decimal point only 4 digit will be accepted. Okay, next is yes no data type. It is also known as logical data type, in that the value, which possible value is only one, that is yes or no. दोनों में से एक ही हो सकता है, yes या तो no, और उसे लॉजिकल डेटा टाइप भी बोला जाता है. जैसे आप अटेंडेंस ले रहे हो तो yes no, present absent. Okay, then are you eligible for voting, yes or no, right? Then your age, yes or no. Then many more options are there. Next is OLE, object linking embedding. What it is known as object linking embedding, in which yes, object, like an object you can embed over there the word document. जैसे आप attachment करते हो, वैसे ही यहाँ word document को ले सकते हो, spreadsheet को ले सकते हो. You can take a presentation over here, and the limit is still 2 GB. Hyperlink, this may be asked to you, please keep it in mind. ये सारा important है कि size उसका, storage capacity, what does it do. आपको ऐसा भी question आ सकता है, yes, in the board, that they will ask you that this are the field name, which data type you will take it for it. Okay, so that also assumptions you have to do. Application based. Hyperlink means the linking of the web pages. You can take a reference book. Reference book भी हम लोग लेते हैं तो websites होती है, तो websites को visit करते हैं. Some of the famous authors की book होती है, तो उसकी भी website होती है खुद की. So that also for the web pages, yes, you can go for, and that also the limit is 1 GB. Even email address also you can take it as a hyperlink. Lookup wizard, in that a list is being made over there. From that you have to do the selection. Like मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि जैसे सिटी है, तो सिटी में मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. जैसे गुजरात स्टेट में जितनी भी मेट्रो सिटीज है, वो सारी मैं वहाँ लेना चाहती हूँ. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन क्रिएट अ लिस्ट. मैं उसकी लिस्ट बना सकती हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ लुकअप विजार्ड. ओके, नंबर ऑफ फैमिली मेंबर्स इन योर, मीन्स आपके घर में कितने फैमिली मेंबर्स है, उसका भी मुझे डेटा चाहिए. देन आई कैन गो फॉर 1 to 5 और 0, मे बी 1 to 5 ही आएगा, 0 नहीं आएगा. अटैचमेंट, Now attachment in that, it is same like you can say OLE, but your attachment of images also, yes you can do, like you are doing in the email. आपको email में पता ही होगा कि attachment हम लोग कैसे use कर सकते हैं. So that same thing we can do over here, and it depends on the files it is been supporting, and the limit is 2 GB, same like OLE. Calculated field, this is a new update you must have not seen in 2007, but now in 2010-13 you will see that there is a new option over there, calculated field. If you want to do the calculation, अगर आपको calculation करना है field के related तो आप कर सकते हो. पहले हम लोग सिर्फ record के लिए करते थे, now we can do for the field also. field में हम ले सकते हैं, you can take any expression like I want to do the multiplication, मुझे यानी बोनस फाइंड आउट करना है, मुझे परसेंटेज सैलरी के इंक्रीमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है, आई कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मूला बाय कैलकुलेटेड फील्ड. नाउ हाउ टू सेट द प्राइमरी की. देयर आर टू वेज टू सेट द प्राइमरी की. Okay, so there are two ways to set the primary key. One is by going to this place and making a right click, सॉरी इन द डिजाइन व्यू. डिजाइन व्यू में आपके पास यहाँ ऑप्शन होता है, देखो यहाँ डिजाइन टैब, इन दैट प्राइमरी की यू कैन क्लिक ऑन प्राइमरी की एंड इट विल बी डन. And the next way is to make a right click over here and you will get it the option of primary key. It works like a toggle. And primary key, I've already explained that what is the primary key. You can see my video related to chapter 10, that is the introduction about it. Hope you all have understand. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.